Today I'll be playing some Roblox Beeswarm Simulator and grinding it. I am pretty early game, so if you have any tips for me, be free to say them in the comments. And before we start, there is an amazing macro for mobile. So if you go on the Play Store and search up Auto Clicker Click Assistant, this second one, and then you add it, it'll just tell you to like enable a few accessibility things so that it can actually work. But basically, it's a really good macro on mobile. It's really easy to use, and yeah, pretty much just tell it where to press and it'll press, and yeah, it'll work. So yeah, it's amazing for Beeswarm. I've been using it for some time now. So yeah. So back into the game. I'll just claim a hive and I'll see what quests I can do right now. Um I'll probably start with alright, what can I do now? Let me just put my volume down real quick. Get bet. I think I'm gonna try to grind honey. Black bear is really good, I think, because he gives like quite a lot. I think I'll also try to do some of the Beesmas quests, because right now it's Beesmas, there are only 60 days left. And yeah, I'm also trying to save up for some good things, like the mythic egg, because it's like an amazing deal. It's like somewhere, yeah, it's here. So I need more gingerbreads, and I think the best way to get them is through quests, like Bear Beast quest. Science Bear is another one that I'm trying to get, but I need a sticker stack badge, and I am quite close to. I'm not quite close to getting it. Still need to do it like 15 times, I think. So yeah. Okay. Nice. Well, I still got a ticket. It's so mid. Also, I am a bit laggy, so don't mind the lag. Oh, it's finished. The ticket hunter. Harvest it. 5 moon charms. That's nice. Holy 27 tickets. Wait, ticket planters are overpowered. I did not know it gives you that much. Wait. 2 honeysuckles, 2 royal jellies, 27 tickets, 3 pineapples, 1 gumdrop, 1 enzymes, 5 moon charms, 1 no. That's actually kind of peak. And I am trying to get the bubble mask because people tell me that it's the best mask. And people also tell me that if I macro a lot, then the honey mask isn't good. So yeah, I'm trying to get this boy. Oh, shut down. Crafted that. Trying to get this. I need 25-ish more blue extracts, 2 more oils, and like 4 more glitters, if I am correct. Yeah, 2 more, 25 more, and then how many glitters do I have? Yeah, 4 more. So yeah. I have used all the codes because I started like 20 days ago or something. I don't know. But I kind of sold because like on my second day of playing, I used all of the codes. So now I can't use any to grind. But I am saving a lot of things like the marshmallow bees and stuff like that. for a later game when I actually need to start grinding, so that I can grind like better, so that I don't waste so that I don't waste all my good stuff on bad grinding sessions. So yeah, I'll just wait for the sparkles. Where the hell are the sparkles, bro? I see a vicious bee, so I'll go get it. Let me just kill the spider first. Mid. Oh, it's only level 3. I'll kill it in like, I don't know, 50 seconds. No, 30 seconds. I just wiped out 3,000 of its HP already. So, yeah. Maybe even less than 30 seconds. Holy. Literally 3 levels later, it becomes like nightmare fuel. I mean, not exactly nightmare fuel, but it does take quite a bit. Nice. 1 stinger. 219k honey. Oh, sparkles. Good bet. 1 moon charm, 10 treats, 2 strawberries. 5 moon charms, nice. And I also got a royal jelly. I'm gonna go use my royal jellies on a bee because, like, yeah, I have 4. That's nice. I use it on the cool bee, I believe. Okay, yeah, I got breathe bee. That's kind of mid, but I'll take it, I guess. I don't know. I think I'll start doing quests now. Either that or I could trade with people for some things. Let me see. Oh, there's a good affection. I think this is like Dapper Bear. And then there's also repairing the white drive. I've almost finished it. What's the difference between collecting stuff and obtaining stuff? Like, what's the point in using 2 different words if they're like basically the same? Oh, Puffroom. Oh, there's 7 seconds left. Okay, I think I can finish meticulously crafted. Just need to craft stuff at the blinder and go to the pumpkin patch. Oh, he summoned nighttime. That means there's gonna be a vicious bee, yeah. There's always vicious bee here. And it's level 4 only. Holy, this is gonna be easy. Free stingers. Thanks, bro. Holy! Yep, it's gonna be gone in around 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and it's already gone. Holy, free stingers. Oh, Moonsprout in the pumpkin patch too. That's pretty nice. The one place where I need stuff. I'm gonna just go start crafting stuff. See what I can craft. But I did use all my royal jelly, so I probably can't craft that much. I can go craft gumdrops. How much stuff can I craft? Okay. Yeah, 79 gumdrops. Only 8 tickets. Speed up because I'm lazy as hell. Wait, I can craft more. Did I just okay, no. I can make a purple potion, but I'm not sure how good that is. But it does take 3 of like quite a bit. Okay, bet that's finished. So now I just have to grind some things, or the pumpkin patch. So yeah, I'm gonna just turn on shift lock. And holy lag. I'm lagging so hard. Nah, bro. There's a supreme like thing in there. I forgot what it's called. Like supreme sprinkler. 25 pineapple. That's nice. Pineapple, ticket, blueberry. And now I'm gonna just grind here. What else can I place? One strawberry. Oh yeah, I used them all when I was like crafting the stuff. I don't know why I have so less strawberries. I probably like used them all by accident and forgot about it, because I do not remember crafting anything in the last like 5 days or something. I don't know. I am missing every token possible. Holy. How did I collect so much? It has literally been like 12 seconds and I'm already at 750k. God damn. Give me this. And now give me this. That's peak. I'm laggy. Okay, nice. Wait, is that his? Yeah, that's his. Sad. And it's about done, I guess. I do not remember it being this laggy. It's like crazy. I'm saving up for Crimson B2. I'm pretty sure I have like 120 tickets, I think. I forgot. But yeah. Nice, I got the moon thing. Nine moon charms. That's peak. Oh, nice. Did I miss that 3 times? I swear, bro, I missed that 3 times in a row. Holy God. That's like crazy. I have like a skill issue. Bro. Okay, nice. I finished that. I'm pretty sure you get a translator at like the 20 like somethings. I don't know. It's either like, I think it's like 29 or something. Like when you finish 29 of his quest, you get a translator. So yeah. Can't you just like lie to him and tell him that like we did the stuff that he told us to, even though we didn't? Oh, what does this do again? Convert right. Work smarter than hard. Oh, 444. It's probably red pollen and blue pollen. Smart, not hard. Field booster, red field, blue field. Oh yeah, that's like peak. 14 with the blender. 444 white, 444 blue, 444 red. Okay. So I pretty much just grind pine tree, and I'm not really sure which one is better for red, but I do have some ornaments that are like good for red. So I mean good for a mountaintop. So I'm probably gonna grind mountaintop since it has red and blue, and then I'm gonna go spider field. But I'm not sure. I don't think spider field's like really that good, because like I collect pollen quite slow in there. At least slower than like other stuff. Wait, do I have a planter I can use? Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't. I have 20 world leagues. I did not realize. Wait, I should turn this off. Cause this is like for macroing. I'm only 100 stingers away from a vicious bee. And like 2,000 away from like the gummy bee. Yeah, pretty sure he's like here. No. Wait, where is he again? He's like somewhere in the. Is he? I'll try. Oh shoot. Oh wait, is he here? Oh, it's a sticker. How do I? Oh, nice. Standing caterpillar. Oh, I got a ticket from it too. Stack reward is 1 enzyme. That's nice. I don't think I really need enzymes unless I'm getting like. I think the honey. Yeah, it's here. It's here. I think the honey mask costs enzymes. Yeah, 2,500. And then there's also this, but that's gonna kill me if I want to go back. Or I could waste a world gig, but I probably shouldn't. I could use this free honey. I think I'm gonna go to mountaintop because like, yo, do I have any sprouts? 53 field dice. Holy. I don't know if I need them for crafting or not, so I just save them. Cause like, yeah. Nope, none at all. That's sad. Yeah, this is just red and blue, so yeah. I'm gonna grind here and then I'm gonna go to either pumpkin patch. I'm pretty sure pumpkin patch is like white. Some people say it's mixed, but I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong, that it's like mostly white. God damn, like 900k already. I really should have saved some sprouts for this or something, because like I would have been speedrunning. When does Mondo Chicks in 11 minutes, so I should be fine. I mean, I think I got already 500k of each. Yeah. That's nice. I also have a quest for a science fair to use like some more micro converters, so I'm gonna be using them more and not like converting for a bit. And I'm also use this because the 1 ticket things have a lot of value because it's only like 1 ticket to instantly convert. So yeah. Nice. Already at 1.5 million. God damn. It would have been so much better if I had sprouts, because I could have like done some sprouts and gotten some loot from this too. But I am getting a lot of honey, like I literally just got like 30,000 honey in like 3 seconds. So yeah. Oh, nice. They gave us some clouds on the one time that I don't have sprouts. Because clouds are like amazing for sprouts. They like completely cook them up. What do they give? Just 25% pollen? 10% unique instant conversion. That's nice. I don't know what unique instant conversion means. I only know like instant conversion. Not really sure what the unique part is. Oh, and I got instant conversion, 100%. That's peak. I'm getting a lot of honey from this. Holy. Oh yeah, I'm not really sure who else to give presents to. Like, I've gotten, I'm pretty sure, like, Onet, Brown Bear, and like a few others. But I'm not really sure who else to give them to. I'm not sure who gives like the best rewards and ornaments and stuff like that. You know? Because like, yeah. So, yeah. Holy, already 3 mil red, 2 mil blue. I'm speedrunning this. The instant conversion is absolutely overpowered. I've only filled 3 million of my bag and I've already got like 5 million pollen. So that's definitely amazing. So yeah. I'm also going to probably start saving up for the what's it called? The Deluxe Portal 5. No, the Porcelain Portal 5. That's like amazing. It has a lot of white pollen, and it's also like good, I think. I'm pretty sure it's like the second best container, because best is the coconut canister. Yeah. I swear, Science Bear is like always like so weird with random numbers, like, or like all of the bears, like there's like just a certain number, and then that number is just repeated in their like entire quest, like multiple times. Like with Science Bear in this quest it's 4. I'm pretty sure with Mother Bear it's like 7 on one of the quests. And yeah. I'm pretty sure in like the next quest I'm going to be getting a star treat from Mother Bear, which is like overpowered. But I'm not sure which one to get first, which one to get the gifted, like either the Photon Bee or the Tabby Bee. Because they're both like amazing. But I'm not sure which one to get first. I'm not sure like which one has better abilities, I guess. Or hive bonuses. Nice, finished the red and almost done blue. Okay, I think I should be like, yeah, quite close to done. And then after this, I just need to use a few field boosters and get white. White should be easy because if I go to an all-white field, I just need to like fill my canister up like 1 or 2 times. No, like 1 time and like a tiny bit more. Or something like that. I don't know. Almost done. It's like 300k more. Hopefully I'll finish it before I fill up my canister. This is peak. 2 of these honey things. Wait, why is one smaller, why is one bigger? Do they like vary in size? Bro, I'm so close. Just let me finish it before I fill up my canister, bro. I don't know why I want to, I just want to. Oh, is that marigold? Oh, it disappeared. I am literally 10,000 away. Oh, it's a diamond aphid! Diamond aphid! Kill it. Bees, kill it. Kill it! Please! Please, kill it. Kill it, just level 7, please! Please! No! No! It gives like, it's so good! It's been so long since I've seen an aphid, bruv. Cloverfield. Mid. I was hoping for like a white field. That sounds kind of weird. Yeah, what does this one do again? 2 XP move. Not a bad. Oh yeah, I was gonna field dive. Mountaintop. Right after I'm done using it. I'm gonna use it until 45 or until I get something good. Or 47 actually. Oh nice, spider field. I'll grind that for some. Wait. Oh yeah, blue thing. Okay, I can't. I can't. Okay, but I'll do that in 20 minutes. Oh yeah, I need to craft stuff with the blender. I think all I have to do is like do some gumdrops if I have enough strawberries. Hopefully I don't have 1. Okay, I can craft 2 gumdrops. That's nice. I need some strawberries. The spider. 6 minutes. Okay, bet. This one should be easier than red and blue. Because it's like already at 145,000. God damn. Already at 200,000. On 300,000-ish. But my blue and red bees won't be as good, I think. I mean, their abilities probably. Because, like, there's no point in having, the red ability thing, the red boost. If, like, there's no red pollen to boost. Hopefully that makes sense. Holy God. I just got 120,000 from one of my porcelain dipper things. Holy God. This is OP. I literally only have one boost on. How am I like getting it so fast? I mean, it is ×2 pollen, but like. Oh, my honey per second. What is that? Holy God. This is like overpowered. I'm like almost done already. 3.4 million. Oh no, bro. Photon bee is like my favorite bee. Oh wait. The cobalt bee's ability collects tokens too. I just realized because I just saw the cobalt bee's like blue like stripe thing like jumping across like my tokens. That's actually like crazy overpowered. Almost done. 400k more. I'll just do it until it reaches I guess like 3.1. Oh, ×3. Yo. Oh man, I'm done. Snowstorm. I'm gonna skip it, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it only gives like 10 honey. I mean, 10 snowflakes. Holy, even the sun is like white. I have 70 out of 100. Okay, Cobalt Bee is like so cool. He has that like blue and white trail behind him. Like, look how cool that is. That's like beautiful. Look at that. That should become a flag one day. Like, just blue and white. That's low-key like beautiful. And then when he like pairs up with the Crimson Bee, it's like the best thing ever, bro. Like, I watch videos on it. Watch a video on person playing, and then I just see that happen. That's like the best thing ever. I think I'll remove this from. Can you? Oh, you can't remove it. Wait, why did I put oil there? I don't know why. I think I'll put jelly beans here. But I'm not sure if jelly beans are used in crafting things. Oh yeah, you can, but I'm not. I could put a world gig here, like in emergency situations. Because like, yeah. No, probably don't. Is there anything? I just need a blue field booster and 14 with the blender. I just speed ran that. And they also got like, I don't know, like 20 million honey or something. And gumdrops, I can get 2 because of the strawberries. You can make like 9 or 8, but I don't want to waste that many enzymes. I can make I can make 2 of those. I think I'm gonna just try to get some more strawberries so I can get more gumdrops. Cause wait, when you craft them, do they give 3 gumdrops? Oh, so it's only 2 gumdrops. Wait, so it only gives you 1 gumdrop for 3, 3, 3? Okay, that's pretty sad. I get the balloons right after I'm out of the field. Oh, is that? Nice. My werewolf is back. Oh yeah, tip, if you're like standing behind the pumpkin, the werewolf cannot hit you. 3 tickets, 5 sunflower seeds, 5 treats, 1 royal jelly. Nice. I'm on royal jelly this guy, cause Bee Swarm Simulator is gambling, and I get Bomber Bee. That's peak. Can I buy anything? Wait, 250. Okay, why is Crimson Bee so chopped? Well, Cobalt Bee is just like peak. Like, I feel like Cobalt Bee and Crimson Bee are like related or something. But I'm not sure which ones are like the actual leaders because it says Cobalt Bees and the Crimson Bee are the protectors of their own colors. But then like, oh shit. But then like, if they are, then is Riley Bee just the leader? Unlike Riley Bee and Bucko Bee. I don't know. I guess I'll end the video here. If you have any tips for me, say in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.